Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I do encourage you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Now this video, makeup tutorial, is of course the challenge that is going all over YouTube right now. It is the Bratz Doll makeup challenge. If you'd like to see how I created this makeup look, then just keep watching. Alrighty, so let's get started. I'm going to start by putting in some contact lenses. These are the Pinky Paradise blue contact lenses. I'm not sure what ones they are, but I know they are Pinky Paradise. Now I'm going to put my hair up to get it out of the way so we can start creating. So I got that wig cap on, and now I'm going in with the Elmer's Child Safe Non-Toxic Glue. It goes on purple and dries clear. And I'm just applying that to my brows, and then I'm taking a spoolie, which is the NYX 18 brush, and I'm just brushing that out. Now with the NYX Wonder Pencil in Light, I am just mapping out where I'm going to be making the eyes for this Bratz doll. So there is the doll that I'm going to be recreating. It's the Eva Bratz Doll. And so I've just mapped out the fake eye and the crease in the inner corners. Now I'm going over my lips to hide my natural lip line so it doesn't mess up when I do my lips later with the lipstick, so it completely masks and hides it. Back to the eyes, I'm creating the lines or outlines for the lower lashes. Now that everything's all created, I'm now taking the NARS paint pot in the color Chantilly, and I'm applying that all over my eyebrows to conceal them so that they don't show through the makeup look. Even though they are dark hairs and they still show through kinda, but at least they aren't as bad as they could be. Now I'm taking the Tatcha spray, the dewy spray, and applying that to my face so that my NARS foundation and my NYX Total Drops foundation both blend in nicely and give a very flawless finish, and it doesn't look cakey. Yes, I know that I'm super pale and this foundation combination does not work for me. I can't find a foundation combination that works because I am a vampire. Let's be real here. Yeah, I'm a vampire. So I'm taking a damp beauty blender, applying that all over the face. Then I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape and NYX Photogenic Color Concealer in purple. And I'm applying that to my T-zone, my chin, and my under eyes. And applying on top of that the Tarte Shape Tape on my T-zone, my under eyes, and my chin. Then I'm taking the damp beauty blender and I'm just blending that out and making it look flawless. Oh yeah, look at that. So good. Once I have that all blended out, I'm then just popping on some Cover FX setting powder just to make sure that it doesn't crease a bit or separate, you know. And now I'm going with the NYX eyeshadow base in the color Milk. And I'm just going to be applying that to the fake eyelid, or my actual eyelid. Actually, yeah, my own eyelid. I'm just applying that to the fake inner corner all along my eyelid and then bringing it out to a bit of a wing on the edge. Now with my Eyes on the 60s BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going in with this gorgeous light blue and medium blue combination. So the medium blue is going to be on the outer corner and the inner corner. Really pack that on and blend it in nicely. And then the lighter shade is going on the center part of the lid to give it more of a pop. Now that I have that done, I'm just applying the Milk to the other eye, like so. Doing the eyeshadow the exact same. And now it's on to blending the line. So I'm blending this up into my brows to create that smoky eye effect that the Bratz dolls naturally have for when I do my crease black line. So really blend that into the brows to make them more hidden. Now I'm taking my Paradise Black Body Paint and I am taking my number 3 brush and I'm just applying that to the outline that I created earlier with the NYX pencil. It's just a very rough outline right now. So the outer corner to the inner corner, creating nice defined sharp lines. Now with this light blue color and my Sigma E21 brush, I'm just smudging that out on the lower fake lash line of the doll eye to give that smoky eye effect. Now with the Mayron Paradise white paint, I'm creating the white part of the fake eye. So going all on the inner corner, following the line I did earlier between the iris and the white part of the eye, and just semicircling on my under eye. Repeat to the opposite one, and now I'm taking a very fine brush from Made You Look. I'm not sure the name of it. There's no name or number. Okay. And I am just going over again the black line that I had done earlier to give a nice, precise, and crisp line. Now with more black paint and my number 3 precision brush, I'm just applying more of the black paint to create a defined liner look. Then I'm also creating the crease, going thin on the inner corner, a bit thicker in the middle, and thin again at the end. Now I'm going back to the eye, and I'm just defining between the white part and the iris that I'm going to be creating, and I'm taking the black and just giving more of a definition between the two. Now I'm going to be taking this light blue paint from Mayron, and I'm applying it to the eye like so. I'm mixing a bit of white with the same blue paint and bringing it closer to the eye to give that nice gradient effect. And now I'm taking the dark blue from the palette and outlining between the black and the light blue to create more of a definition. Now for the brows, I'm taking purple and violet from the Mayron Paradise palette, and I'm going to be creating a lavender-like beautiful brow above my normal natural brow that is currently underneath a bunch of glue. So I'm just getting the basic shape and creating little flicks upwards to look like hairs on the inner part of the brow, repeating the same thing to the opposite eye, and then going in with the dark violet color and creating little hair strokes to give more definition and lifelike appeal to the brows. Now with some white paint, I'm just putting little dots on the iris to give that perfect shine to the actual fake eye. Now it's time for lashes. Just putting the basic shape of the lower 3 lashes that I would like, and then going back over them and thickening them up to give that gorgeous wispy eye look that the Bratz dolls have. Creating an overly dramatic winged liner and bringing it together to my eyeliner that's by my lashes. And now it's time for the hard part. The 3 false lashes that go right over my lid up onto my brow bone. This was a bit difficult to do because I had to keep my eyes half open to create, because if I would have blinked or opened my eye completely, I would have messed up the whole paint. As you guys can see, I have to air it out to make sure it's nice and dry for when I open my eyes. Now I'm going in with my Makeup Geek contour palette colors that I have. I'm taking a big fluffy brush from Made You Look, and I'm really blending that into my cheekbones and caking it on to give that nice defined doll look. Now I'm going in with my Morphe M164 brush, and I'm just using the edges on each side to create that nice defined line down my nose to make it nice and tiny and tight for that Bratz doll look. Blending it slightly outwards and on the tip of my nose and nostrils to really give it that little perky look, and along the bridge of the nose there. Now with the product that's left over in that fluffy brush, I'm just defining my jawline a bit more down my neck and making it look pretty. Now with the teal paint from the Mayron palette, I'm just doing little circular motions to create bubbles that the Eva doll has on her face. So just little circular motions along the temples, along the cheekbone to create the pretty little bubbles. Once I have all those bubbles done, I'm then just going in with the white Mayron paint and creating little dots, little accent dots all over and around the bubbles that I had created. Once I have that all done, I'm then just creating the accent bubbles between the lower lash line, well, lower lashes on both eyes. Then I'm going onto the bubbles and creating that little shine effect to make them look more three-dimensional. With an angled brush and some black eyeshadow, I'm doing a sweeping U motion right around the bubbles to make them look more three-dimensional and like they're lifting off of my skin. Once that's all done, it's time to do the lips. I'm going in with this NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the color Aria and my Macaroon Lippy in the color Mal SO1. And I'm creating an overly dramatic heart shape on my Cupid's bow and bringing it down in a swoop to the outer corner of my top lip and doing an overly drawn bottom lip to give that perfect Bratz pout. Bringing from the outer corner inward, I'm just creating a little bit of an ombre effect for when I pop on the Macaroon Lippy to make it look more pouty and puckered up, you know what I mean? So once I've applied the Macaroon Lippy, I'm going in with a little brush afterwards and I'm just going to blend it all in together to give it more of a defined ombre look. And that's what I'm going to do right here with a little angled brush, just blending it out a bit so it's not so harsh lined and really cute looking. Now that I have the lips done, it's time for some blush. I'm going in with the Sigma Creme de Couture and the color Cherry Apple. This was a blush that I got a long time ago, like back when I started YouTube. And I'm just applying that to the apples of my cheek and slightly blending it into the contour of my cheekbones to give it that nice doll look. And don't forget to add a little bit to the tip of the nose for that cute little button nose. I'm going in with my Becca Moonstone highlighter and I'm applying that with my finger, heavy-handed, to my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and the tip of my nose. Like, look at that highlight. The bridge and the tip of the nose really bring this doll look together and make it look perfect. Like, highlight makes all looks perfect, but it really brings out that perky nose in a doll. So that is the entire eye look, and now it's time for the wig. I'm going in with this gorgeous classic wavy lavender rockstar wig to pull it all together like the Bratz doll. And that is the entire look. There is the Bratz doll, the Eva that I recreated, and there is my look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I do encourage you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. This makeup look was so fun to create. Thank you for sticking to the very end of this video with me and seeing how I created this Bratz doll makeup look. This is a huge challenge going on YouTube right now, and beauty channels and beauty gurus are doing it. So I thought, why not get back into some special effects makeup and create this Bratz doll makeup look myself and get on the trend and challenge. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to my channel to watch more of moi, as well as comment down below what you think of the Bratz makeup challenge. Are you in on it? Have you created one? Let me know in the comments down below. And until next time, stay beautiful, okay? Bye.